Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of long-distance relationships. Miles may separate you and your boo, but fear not, lovebirds. We've got some hacks to keep the spark alive and the connection strong. Whether you're a seasoned LDR pro or just starting out, these tips will help you navigate the distance and feel closer than ever. So, grab a cozy drink, cuddle up with your favorite pillow or pet, no judgment, and let's bridge the gap together. Hack number 1. Communication is key, but not clingy. Communication is the foundation of any relationship, but in an LDR, it's even more crucial. Schedule regular calls and video chats, but don't overdo it. Find a sweet spot that works for both of you. Pro tip: spice things up with surprise voice notes or video messages throughout the day. But remember, quality over quantity. Focus on deep conversations beyond just what's for dinner. Share your feelings, dreams, and funny stories from your day. Hack number 2. Get creative with virtual dates. Date nights don't have to disappear just because you're apart. Cook the same meal together over video chat, then enjoy a virtual dinner date with some fancy music and candles. Watch a movie simultaneously and chat about it afterward. Play online games together for a fun and competitive twist. The possibilities are endless. Get creative and make it a special time you both look forward to. Hack number 3. Care packages. Send a little piece of you. Surprise your partner with a care package filled with little reminders of your love and inside jokes. Include a handwritten note, a funny photo of you, their favorite candy, or a piece of clothing that smells like you. Weird, but cute. A care package is a tangible way to show you're thinking of them, even from afar. Hack number 4. Celebrate the little wins and big ones too. Distance can make celebrating milestones feel bittersweet. Don't miss out on the joy. Celebrate birthdays, graduations, or even just a good day over a video call. Send a celebratory gift or flowers to show how proud you are. Every win, big or small, is a reminder of why you're fighting for this love.